Hey, Crypto Ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Hedera, or HBAR, a unique player in the crypto world. What is Hedera? Hedera, launched in 2017, is a decentralized public network using Hashgraph technology, not blockchain. It's built for speed, security, and scalability, processing over 10,000 transactions per second, way faster than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Founded by Dr. Lehman Baird and Mance Harmon, it went live with its main net in September 2019 after a 2018 ICO. It's governed by a council of global giants like Google, IBM, and Boeing. HBAR Utilities. HBAR is Hedera's native token, powering the network with two key roles. First, it fuels services like superfast transactions, smart contracts, and file storage. Think secure, tamper-proof records for supply chains or DeFi apps. Second, it secures the network through proof of stake, where users stake HBAR to support operations and earn up to 6.5% APY. Hedera's consensus service logs immutable data for enterprises, while its token service lets users create and manage digital tokens. With transaction fees as low as $0.0001, it's perfect for micropayments, gaming, or financial services. Hedera's carbon-negative status also makes it eco-friendly, using less energy than a Visa transaction. From DeFi to NFT marketplaces, Hedera's versatility is attracting developers and businesses alike. Current price. As of July 14, 2025, HBAR is trading at around $0.25, with a market cap of about $10.43 billion, ranking at number 24 on Coinbase. It's up 9% in the last 24 hours, showing strong momentum, with a 24-hour trading volume of nearly $2 billion. Price forecast. What's next for HBAR? Analysts are bullish for 2025, predicting a range of 30 cents to 75 cents, with some seeing a new all-time high above 57 cents if adoption grows. By 2030, forecasts range from $1.12 to $3, driven by enterprise partnerships and potential ETF approvals. Long-term, some speculate HBAR could hit $15 by 2040, but crypto's volatile, so always do your research. Hedera HBAR is a powerhouse for fast, secure, and eco-friendly decentralized apps, backed by major players. With a solid price uptrend and big potential, it's one to watch. Drop your thoughts below, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto updates. Stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.